How to exclude products from discounts in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Make sure you have some products with discounts and the others without discounts. It is very simple. It's actually going to be a part of creating the discount itself. So let's just go and begin. First, you will need to just create the actual discount. So just click on discounts from your Shopify store and click on create discount. From here, we're just going to select amount of products. And then here we're just going to select discount code, generate random code. None of this is actually important right now, so I'm just going to fill these up real quick. This is what's actually important to us. So this is going to apply to specific products, and we just want to select the products that we want to have these discounts work on. So in this case, we just wanted to work on the variant general admission. It's going to have a discount on that. It doesn't make sense. Let's just go for VIP. So now in this case, we have this product that is now with the discount, but the other one is not. So you simply just select the products from here that you want to have the discount working for. Now, let's say you have a lot of products and you don't want to select all of them from here. Instead, what we can do is just create from the product section, just click on products, go to collections. And from collections, you want to create an entire collection where you want to have the discount apply to that collection as a whole. So once you create the collection, just come back here within the discount and click on applies to specific collection. And obviously just select that collection from here. That means everything in that collection is going to be included in the discount. Anything which is not in that collection is not going to be included in that discount. Okay, but let's say it's a discount that is already active. You don't want to create one, you already have one, and now you want to exclude some items from it. It's pretty much the same steps. You just go to discounts, select the discount that has the products that you want to remove, and you're going to find yourself in the same exact menu. You simply just remove the products that you don't want to be included from here. And that's all you need to do. Just click on save. And you're good to go. Obviously, I can't create a discount without any products, so that doesn't make sense. But anyway, this is pretty much how it works. So make sure you save your changes, and that's all you need to do. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.